Hi everyone, this is Peter. Today I want to introduce you is the Anycast touchscreen visual mixer, which is the AWS750. Okay, so you see this is total different maybe visual mixer if you compare with the traditional visual mixer, because the traditional mixer you got like maybe buttons and all those kind of stuff. For this is more a kind of like tablet style touchscreen operations. So let's talk about like the whole screen. Okay, so for the on the left hand side you got all the sources. For example, like now, okay, I got maybe one source from maybe watch pointing at me is a PMW200, and then the other star and the other part is the PMW300. This is the two live camera. But on the other hand, I actually put on a lot of like maybe still footage, for example, like maybe those photos, and then I can put on a color bar on it, and then okay. So you see, this is actually the program, and also this is the preview. So you can actually just like using the tick, or maybe you can using the left and right button to do all the post fade. But at the same time, you can also press the button and then go to the direct mode, and then you can just touch the actual the source, and then to do the shots that you want to take. So other than that, okay, you can also put on, for example, okay, now I don't want to do these transitions. You will see in the right hand side you got like all the options. For example, like the title, the camera, the transition, the effect, and also the logos. So for example, like I put on, maybe I want to do maybe a mix, a crossfade. Okay, so for example, like now, okay, put on this, I direct touch the source, and then I already maybe doing all the effects. So it's very simple, and then it's actually maybe pretty straightforward. And also, for example, now, okay, let's get it back to me. Okay, I put it back into the preview mode. Okay, so if I want to do, okay, this is maybe a live stream, so it's already live. Okay, so you will see, okay, it's already live on the on my output. So you can put on maybe your logos. You can put on something maybe onto the screen. You can actually positions, maybe the locations, the size. You can import the your logos, graphics in it. So it's very easy to do. So for example, also maybe you can do like maybe a pattern with pattern. So you can now, for example, now, okay, I can do maybe a picture with pictures on the screen. So you can actually set which source you want to put it in. But it is actually good, maybe it's better for you to just, you can put it into maybe a scene, which is easier for you to set up. And then, okay, other than that, okay, let me just like maybe take it out. Okay, just off. Okay, just take this back. Okay, so I also want to take out the logo. Okay, so now I take out the logo. So it's easy. It's very easy to operate. And okay, on the underneath you will see there is another like touch screen, and it is also, you can just like do the all the inputs, and then maybe the output for the program out, and then at the same time you can do the whether it's handback audio, and then you can also do a lot of setup. For example, like the IP information, for the LAN, for the live stream, and then you can also put on like maybe import some video and the still photos, just like maybe the one like this, and then you can put on your maybe some like pictures you want to show, or maybe some video you want to show too. So you can import the stuff, and then what you need to do is just like, okay, for example, like I don't want the water, and then I just delete the water. Okay, sorry, I just delete maybe the water, and then it just already took it away. At the same time, you can just like, okay, oh, I want the water back, and then you can just add still photos and then water, and then you will get the shots back. It's very easy to operate because it's more look like maybe a tablet style. Nowadays, a lot of people is already familiar about the how to operate with the tablet style of unit. And okay, so other than this, there is two functions maybe which is I think is quite user-friendly. Is actually you can actually record the program maybe into the hard disk here. So they will actually show you, okay, the recording remain time is at 655 minutes. So now I'm already recording the program out. So after doing this, okay, maybe my program is just only like this. Okay, so I'm stopping now, and then they will ask you, will you want to stop? So it is already saved as a files, and then you can using the USB 3.0 and then to transfer the files out to computer, and then as a kind of master clip. Other than that, they can also do the live stream. But at this moment, Sony is only support the Ustream. So that means, okay, if you got a Ustream account and then you open categories, and then you will get a URL and also got the stream key. So what you need to do is export the files, the stream key and also the URL, and then you import it back, and then once everything is set, you press the start, and then the live stream will start on. And then on the screen like this. And then because I don't have an internet connection here, so I cannot show you at this moment. But for the recording, you will see the recording will actually on. If you're doing live stream, they will also showing the live, and also is also showing the recording. So everything is very clear, easy to go, and then maybe everything is just like very easy to operate, because it's like everything is just touchscreen. As I said, maybe something like, okay, direct mode, you can just touch the unit, and then maybe you can absolutely just like do the program straight away, and then easy to go. So at the end, I want to talk about like the input. For the input, you will got like maybe because it is HD and also you can SD. So you for the HD you got like 6 input, which is 4 input is the SDI, and then the 2 input is the HDMI, and then for SD mode, and then you got the composite, and also you got the VGA. For the out, for sure, you also got the XLR input, and then you can get embed audio input, and for the output you can got like maybe 2 SDR out, VGA out, and also the HDMI out, which is most likely the normal the common visual mixer should come with. So it's I like this because it's very user friendly compared with maybe the traditional one. Because if you want to go into the menu, all the time you have to be struggle about, okay, maybe go to maybe with small screen, and then to set everything up is not maybe that easy. If you are not familiar about like this maybe the mixer that they are using now, so this is easy to go. If you want to know more about like this the AWS 750, please visit ANS website.